Hello, I welcome all of you in my channel, Engineering and Info. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So, we will discuss today what's the new feature that has been introduced by the Fiverr. The new feature is Get Briefs. So, what is the Get Brief? Get Brief is a new feature that a buyer will make a brief and it will make it online. So, the Fiverr will send notifications to the top level, or you can say to the expert sellers in the respective field, and the respective field sellers can either accept that or they can do messaging with the buyer. So how we'll do it: if I am a seller and my service is matched, I will get a opportunity notification. So opportunity notification, in the response of opportunity notification, I will have to select create offer. This is the button, or I have to select not interested if I'm not interested in that. So if I am interested in that, I will create the custom offer to the buyer in the response of his brief, and I will start messaging with the buyer. So in this way, there are few replies, there are few options to this brief like this. If it is opportunity, it means that the buyer's brief is currently active. We can make custom offer. Cancelled, the buyer, if it is written cancelled, it means that the buyer has chosen to stop getting offers, that no more offers. Accepted means buyer has accepted any of you can say the offer from any of the seller. Close, it means that the buyer has accepted the any other seller offer. And offer created, it means that the buyer hasn't accepted any offer and you have made an offer. These are all of the replies if we respond to that opportunity notification. So what is the difference between buy request? Buy request is a generic thing. Means when a customer creates a buy request, his request is sent to all of the sellers who have created their gigs, and their gigs are matching with the buy request. But in the brief and match, the buyer brief will be matched with the skill of those sellers who are expert in their skills. Okay, so how I will be benefit, because if I'm an expert in my field, so I will get briefs notification from the buyer, and it will create my chances to increase my number of orders. Okay, fine. How brief and match benefit any seller? Because it is only tailored lead to the skilled persons, to the skilled sellers whose skill has been verified, or whose skill has been proven to be very good. So if I'm not interested in an opportunity, or when I get a brief notification, what I will do, I will just click on not interested. Okay, so how I will receive a brief on the smart algorithm of the Fiverr match my services and match my availability to the brief of the buyer. Okay, then further I will create a milestone in the response of a brief. So what the seller have to do? Seller have to make a change in their brief at the dashboard, because they have to write that what is the minimum price of the brief they are going to accept. Like this, look at this get brief. So you will have to write here the price or at which you are agree to do the business with the client. So that was all about today's that how what is the new feature of the get briefs from the supplier. So I request all of you to set this price for you people, so that you can get briefs. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.